In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Rhino-Rack Pioneer wind fairing to a 5 Series Pioneer platform. Before commencing, refer to the online instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. Note, the wind fairing system may come with either a 4 or 6 arm assembly configuration, depending on the size of your Pioneer. The first step is to carefully remove the Pioneer from your vehicle and place on a suitable workstation with the top facing down. Next, attach the rubber bumpers to each arm assembly, followed by the Torx panhead bolt and plate nut. With the plate nut loose, insert the outside arm assemblies to the front of the Pioneer and slide to either side. The outside arm assembly can be easily identified by the metal tag, as shown here. Next, insert the inside arm assemblies, in this instance, 2. When complete, fold each arm over the underside of the Pioneer. Next, remove the protective plastic coating on the wind fairing panel and carefully insert along the arm assemblies. Be sure the bottom edge of the wind fairing is positioned within each rubber bumper hook. Then, adjust each arm assembly to align with the holes of the wind fairing and secure with the push-in plugs. Next, open the wind fairing and using a tape measure, position the fairing evenly left to right on the Pioneer. When complete, secure each arm with the supplied Torx key. Next, measure, trim and insert the vortex generating strips to the channel sections around the arm assemblies. Ensure each strip is secured tightly along the channel. Now, thoroughly clean the roof of the vehicle and carefully reattach the Pioneer to its original secured position. Perform one last clean under the wind fairing to remove any remaining residues. Next, fold the wind fairing so that the rubber bumpers are positioned just above the roof surface. Identify the locations for the abrasion reset tape so that they sit evenly under the rubber bumpers. When satisfied, peel back the backing tape and apply to the roof surface. Ensure a good seal. When complete, fold the wind fairing down to close the gap underneath the Pioneer and roof. Now, your Pioneer wind fairing is ready for use.